So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in View Advanced System Settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, under Startup and Recovery, you want to click on Settings. You want to find Automatically Restart, untick this box, and then click on OK. Next, under Performance, you want to click on Settings. And now you want to go to Advanced, and then select Change. Make sure that you have Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives ticked. You want to tick this box and then click on OK. And then click on OK again. If this comes up, click on Restart Later. For the next step, you want to go to Search and type in Edit Power Plan. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on Power Options on the top. On the left hand side, select Choose what the power button does. Then you want to select Change settings that are currently unavailable. If you have an option here that says Turn on Fast Startup Recommended, you want to untick the box. Again, it's going to be saying Turn on Fast Startup Recommended. Make sure that you untick that box and then click on Save Changes. For the last step, you want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.